Hello, today I will show you how to add pagination your WordPress blog website. Okay, let's start the tutorial. I was create demo blog page. Here blog page, recent post. Here I was create 4 post. Now I will add pagination blog page, WordPress blog page. Okay, go your WordPress website admin panel. Login dashboard. Go settings. Here menu reading. Blog pages show at most 10 posts. I will set 1 post. Okay, select 1, save change. Every page show 1 post. Okay, visit site, blog. Here blog page. Here here pagination create 1 2 3 4. First page 4th post. Page 2 post 3. Page 3 12 post. 4th page first post. Okay, very easy to set WordPress blog post pagination. Now dashboard. I will set 2 posts per page. Go reading menu. Blog page show at most 2 posts. Okay, save change. Go blog menu. Two post a page. 1 is 2. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If this video help you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also like, comments and share. Okay, thank you.